Hey guys, AJ at HOGWORKZ, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our forged carbon fiber front fender. This is going to be for the 23.5 and up touring models. And it's going to be a direct bolt-on replacement for your stock front fender. It's going to have an aggressive forged carbon fiber look to them. It's going to match perfectly with the other forged carbon fiber accessories we offer. You can get it in matte or gloss finish. For this install, we're going to need a 1/4 inch Allen, and we're going to take the stock front fender off. These nice and loose first. Leave the front one in there just to hold the fender on there for now. Make sure you hold your fender so it doesn't fall. Get the two rears out. Make sure you support the front of your fender, taking the front bolts out. Once you got all your bolts out, pull your front fender off, just like that. Take our new front fender, and you're going to want to put this flat part towards the front of your motorcycle. So it's going to be nice and flat, and then your back is going to come down and straight across. We're going to support the forged front fender here, and we're going to take the supplied hardware in the kit and put the front ones in here. I use those to support the fender. And we'll do the same thing on the other side in the front. Okay, once you got your front supported, line up the rears. Go around and just snug these up. That concludes the install of our forged carbon fiber front fender for your 23.5 and up touring models. Get them at hogworks.com. See you next time.